In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-upload screenshots after capture in Sharex. If you share screenshots often, automating the upload right after you capture can save a lot of time. We'll turn on the built-in after capture upload task in Sharex and confirm which online service will receive your images. Start by launching Sharex from your desktop. When the main window opens, look to the left-hand sidebar and choose after capture tasks. This panel controls what Sharex does the moment a screenshot is taken, such as adding annotations, saving a file, or in our case, sending it online. In the list that appears, find Upload Image to Host and click it to enable it. You'll know it's active when the item turns bold or shows a checkmark. With this switch on, Sharex will automatically push your screenshots to the hosting service you've configured with no extra clicks from you. By default, Sharex often uses Imgur for image uploads, but you can change or confirm that choice. Back in the main window, click Destinations to open the upload targets for different content types. Next, select Destination Settings. A window will open with categories on the left. Click Image Uploader. On the right, choose your preferred service, such as Imgur, Google Drive, Twitter, and others. Pick the one that fits your workflow and visibility needs. If the service you select requires an account, you'll see a Connect or Authorize option. Follow the prompts, sign in your browser if asked, and grant permission so Sharex can upload on your behalf. This authorization only allows Sharex to send files to that service for your account, and you can remove it later from the service's security settings if needed. A quick note on privacy and sharing. Imgur uploads are typically unlisted, which means anyone with the link can view them. Google Drive can be restricted or shared via a link, depending on your Drive settings. Public social platforms will post to your timeline or media library. Choose the destination that matches the audience you intend. From now on, whenever you capture an image with Sharex, the upload will begin immediately in the background. You'll see a small progress notification, and when it completes, Sharex may copy the link to your clipboard automatically, ready to paste into chat, tickets, or documentation, depending on your current preferences. If uploads don't appear, double-check that Upload Image to Host is enabled under After Capture Tasks, confirm your image uploader destination, and make sure your account authorization hasn't expired. And that's it. Your screenshots will now auto-upload right after you capture them in Sharex.